Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Better English. If you want to speak English confidently and naturally, you're in the right place.
What is a timetable?
A schedule of classes.
Why use a timetable?
To stay organized.
Why use a timetable?
To stay organized.
Where is the timetable posted?
On the classroom wall.
Where is the timetable posted?
On the classroom wall.
When is math class?
It depends on the schedule.
When is math class?
It depends on the schedule.
Who sets the timetable?
The school office.
Who sets the timetable?
The school office.
What is a blackboard?
A board for writing.
What is a blackboard?
A board for writing.
Why use a blackboard?
To explain lessons.
Why use a blackboard?
To explain lessons.
Where is chalk used?
On the blackboard.
Where is chalk used?
On the blackboard.
When do teachers write?
During lessons.
When do teachers write?
During lessons.
Who cleans the board?
The teacher or helper.
Who cleans the board?
The teacher or helper.
What is a textbook?
A book for learning.
What is a textbook?
A book for learning.
Why read textbooks?
To understand subjects.
Why read textbooks?
To understand subjects.
Where do you find answers?
In the textbook.
Where do you find answers?
In the textbook.
When do students read books?
During study time.
When do students read books?
During study time.
Who writes textbooks?
Experts and authors.
Who writes textbooks?
Experts and authors.
What is a school bell?
A signal for time.
What is a school bell?
A signal for time.
Why ring a bell?
To mark class changes.
Why ring a bell?
To mark class changes.
Where is the bell located?
Near the school office.
Where is the bell located?
Near the school office.
When does the bell ring?
At set times.
When does the bell ring?
At set times.
Who hears the bell?
All students and teachers.
Who hears the bell?
All students and teachers.
What is classroom behavior?
How students act in class.
What is classroom behavior?
How students act in class.
Why behave well?
To learn peacefully.
Why behave well?
To learn peacefully.
Where to speak politely?
In the classroom.
Where to speak politely?
In the classroom.
When to ask questions?
During lessons.
When to ask questions?
During lessons.
Who keeps the class calm?
The teacher.
Who keeps the class calm?
The teacher.
What is a school bus?
A vehicle for students.
What is a school bus?
A vehicle for students.
Why ride the bus?
To reach school safely.
Why ride the bus?
To reach school safely.
Where does the bus stop?
At Aston Homes.
Where does the bus stop?
At Aston Homes.
When does the bus come?
Before school starts.
When does the bus come?
Before school starts.
Who drives the bus?
The bus driver.
Who drives the bus?
The bus driver.
What is a computer lab?
A room with computers.
What is a computer lab?
A room with computers.
Why learn computers?
For modern skills.
Why learn computers?
For modern skills.
Where is the lab located?
In the school building.
Where is the lab located?
In the school building.
When do students visit labs?
On scheduled days.
When do students visit labs?
On scheduled days.
Who teaches computer use?
IT teachers.
Who teaches computer use?
IT teachers.
What is physical education?
Exercise and sports class.
What is physical education?
Exercise and sports class.
Why play sports?
For health and fitness.
Why play sports?
For health and fitness.
Where do students exercise?
In the gym or field.
Where do students exercise?
In the gym or field.
When is PE class?
Weekly or daily.
When is PE class?
Weekly or daily.
What is art class?
A class for drawing.
What is art class?
A class for drawing.
Why teach art?
To grow creativity.
Why teach art?
To grow creativity.
Where are drawings made?
In art rooms.
Where are drawings made?
In art rooms.
When do students paint?
During art lessons.
When do students paint?
During art lessons.
Who checks artwork?
The art teacher.
Who checks artwork?
The art teacher.
What is a school fee?
Money paid for learning.
What is a school fee?
Money paid for learning.
Why pay fees?
To support school services.
Why pay fees?
To support school services.
Where to pay fees?
At the school office.
Where to pay fees?
At the school office.
When is payment due?
Each term.
When is payment due?
Each term.
Who pays the fee?
Parents or guardians.
Who pays the fee?
Parents or guardians.
What is a science lab?
A place for experiments.
What is a science lab?
A place for experiments.
Why do experiments?
To learn by doing.
Why do experiments?
To learn by doing.
Where is lab equipment kept?
In cupboards.
Where is lab equipment kept?
In cupboards.
When are lab classes?
During science periods.
When are lab classes?
During science periods.
Who supervises labs?
Science teachers.
Who supervises labs?
Science teachers.
What is handwriting?
How we write letters.
What is handwriting?
How we write letters.
Why improve handwriting?
To write clearly.
Why improve handwriting?
To write clearly.
Where do students practice?
In writing books.
Where do students practice?
In writing books.
When do teachers check writing?
During classwork.
When do teachers check writing?
During classwork.
Who teaches good writing?
The language teacher.
Who teaches good writing?
The language teacher.
What is a school project?
A special study work.
What is a school project?
A special study work.
Why do projects?
To apply knowledge.
Why do projects?
To apply knowledge.
Where do students present?
In front of class.
Where do students present?
In front of class.
When are projects given?
During term time.
When are projects given?
During term time.
Who assigns projects?
Subject teachers.
Who assigns projects?
Subject teachers.
What is classroom participation?
Joining in lessons.
What is classroom participation?
Joining in lessons.
Why participate?
To learn better.
Why participate?
To learn better.
Where to answer questions?
In class.
Where to answer questions?
In class.
When to raise hands?
Before speaking.
When to raise hands?
Before speaking.
Who encourages participation?
The teacher.
Who encourages participation?
The teacher.
What is a school event?
A special program.
What is a school event?
A special program.
Why attend events?
For fun and learning.
Why attend events?
For fun and learning.
Where are events held?
In the school hall.
Where are events held?
In the school hall.
When are events planned?
Throughout the year.
When are events planned?
Throughout the year.
Who organizes them?
Teachers and students.
Who organizes them?
Teachers and students.
What is student leadership?
Guiding fellow students.
What is student leadership?
Guiding fellow students.
Why become a leader?
To take responsibility.
Why become a leader?
To take responsibility.
Where do leaders serve?
In school activities.
Where do leaders serve?
In school activities.
When are leaders chosen?
Every year.
When are leaders chosen?
Every year.
Who can become a leader?
Any good student.
Who can become a leader?
Any good student.
What is classroom decorum?
Any good student.
What is classroom decorum?
Any good student.
Why keep decorum?
To respect others.
Why keep decorum?
To respect others.
Where is silence needed?
During tests.
Where is silence needed?
During tests.
When to keep quiet?
In learning time.
When to keep quiet?
In learning time.
Who ensures silence?
The teacher.
Who ensures silence?
The teacher.
What is a final exam?
The last big test.
What is a final exam?
The last big test.
Why take final exams?
To pass the course.
Why take final exams?
To pass the course.
Where are exams held?
In exam halls.
Where are exams held?
In exam halls.
When is exam season?
At term end.
When is exam season?
At term end.
Who writes the exams?
Subject teachers.
Who writes the exams?
Subject teachers.
What is an answer sheet?
Where answers are written.
What is an answer sheet?
Where answers are written.
Why write neatly?
So it's easy to read.
Why write neatly?
So it's easy to read.
Where to check answers?
Before submitting.
Where to check answers?
Before submitting.
When to submit papers?
At the end of exam.
When to submit papers?
At the end of exam.
Who collects papers?
The exam invigilator.
Who collects papers?
The exam invigilator.
What is student feedback?
Comments on learning.
What is student feedback?
Comments on learning.
Why give feedback?
To improve learning.
Why give feedback?
To improve learning.
Where is feedback written?
On assignments.
Where is feedback written?
On assignments.
When is feedback shared?
After correction.
When is feedback shared?
After correction.
Who receives feedback?
The student.
Who receives feedback?
The student.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.